So to replace this accelerator pedal, you can see it has this cutout here, and even though we can see the mounting bolt up there, it'd be easiest if this was not in the way, and this can easily be removed here. I'm going to use a razor blade to cut this out. Okay, now we can see more of it and it'll actually come out. So now with the 13 millimeter, let's remove that mounting bolt over there. Next, let's remove the throttle cable, push it in from the back side and just pop it right out. And then at this point, hopefully you can lift the gas pedal right up. Take your new pedal and slide it down. It goes into that cutout there. Straight down. Make sure that foam insulation is out of the way. And there we go. Make sure it's pressed down in all the way. It's important. You don't want this coming loose on you. And then put it up in here. There we go. And before I bolt it in, just so I can have a little bit more movement out of it, I'm going to go ahead and connect the cable, slide it through the hole, and then this plastic insert will clip in just like that. And then we'll get the mounting bolt bolted up. Okay, let's snug it. Make sure it's tight. Perfect.